Welcome to the Selma Kit for MODO. Selma has 3 new edge selection operators. Select Edge by Length will select edges between the minimum and maximum length. You can also choose whether to measure the length in world coordinates or local modelling coordinates. This can be useful if you apply a scale to your model and you want the selections to stay the same. Select Edge by Angle selects edges according to the angle between their adjacent faces. You can specify a minimum and maximum angle. Moreover, you can choose whether to include edges that are concave, convex, or both. Select Edges by Axis lets you select edges according to whether they are radial, parallel, or concentric with respect to the given axis. As with Select Edge by Length, you can choose to work with world or local modelling coordinates. Select Edges by Axis also has a transform input that you can use to set up an arbitrary axis. The Selma Kit for MODO is available on Gumroad now. See the links below.